Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool butterfly effect on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to, so first you have to trace the outline of a butterfly wing. Just like this part though, you don't have to connect these. Then you're going to get a line and just draw a line from one point to another. And just kind of adjust it like so, and then you're going to grab, you're going to select these two, go to Object, Blend, Make, Object, Blend Options, and select Specified Steps, select Preview, and just adjust how many specified steps you want for it. I'm just going to select 30 and I'm going to press OK. Then I'm just going to align it to the body of the butterfly. I already made this. It's just like two circles and an oval. Sorry, a circle and an oval. And then you can just copy it. So right click, copy, or Control C, Control V. Right click, transform, reflect, and then press OK. And then just put it on the other side. If you want it to be exactly on the other side, just go and press Control C, Shift Control V, right click, transform, reflect, OK, and then just use your arrow instead of moving it. It does take longer though to do, so keep that in mind, but it's going to be kind of in the same spot-ish. Just arrange send to back. And that is basically it, really. You can change the outlines here, if you want to change the color to a pink or a gradient. It's totally up to you. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!